Hello there, Taylor from SevereWeatherTV.com, bringing you the latest look at tropical cyclones, United States severe thunderstorm weather. So cyclone-wise, there's absolutely nothing at the moment. We're in between two seasons. The Eastern Pacific season officially starts tomorrow. But based on what I've seen, there won't be anything right off the bat. So let's talk about this. There is potentially something around the 24th, 23rd, 24th of May. There you go. This is the ECMWF, which does tend to be less doom and gloom than, say, for instance, the GFS, which is often predicting major hurricanes all over the place. So I say that because I tend to take this model more seriously. But this far out into the future, you know, the 24th of May, that's far enough out. This thing could turn into a major hurricane. It could turn into absolutely nothing. But we'll keep an eye on it, because who knows what might happen when the season starts, right? Yeah, as though the hurricanes are something now looking at the calendar and saying, oh, all right, boys, it's time to form because now the season's on. Mother Nature doesn't care. So United States severe thunderstorm weather-wise is the overview for the next few days. Here's today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We'll talk about that more in depth in just a second. Every time I go to this page, I have to keep refreshing it. 13 active severe weather warnings all over the place. We've got a couple of tornado warnings, some severe thunderstorm warnings. That's all the orange stuff. Some special marine warnings. That would be the purple stuff. Let's go ahead and refresh the tornado page too. Just be careful. So 2 different tornado warnings. This is for Alabama. And what we're going to look at in just a second is the watches to show you there's not even a tornado watch actually in effect for the area that has the tornado warnings at the moment. So watch-wise, there's 2 different tornado watches in effect for here. And this one is a severe thunderstorm watch. In general today, this is a map showing the probability of a tornado. So 10% is pretty high. So Ohio is basically somewhat of the bullseye for today. So this is a tornado map, 10% chance of a tornado, 2% all the way down there. You've got the wind map showing the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. Again, bullseye over Ohio. And then the severe hail map, again, bullseye over Ohio. So this would be the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. So 30% chance of both the winds and hail. And then a 10% chance of a tornado, which is pretty high. 10% is that's decently high. Tomorrow, though, pretty big area of coverage. However, at the moment, only a 5% chance. And then day after tomorrow, nothing even forecast to be severe. So to put that in perspective with this page, these green areas are just the general thunderstorm type areas. That would be places where you're going to have a thunderstorm, but the Storm Prediction Center does not forecast anything to be severe from that. So that is what is happening at the moment. And SevereWeatherTV.com is a webpage you can go to or not go to. And Severe Weather Outlook is a page you can go to or not go to. Tornado HQ also a page you might go to or you might not. I don't do a very good job of selling these things, do I? Anyway, that is it for today. Have fun.